Hi guys, this is a quick video on how to change or replace your rear light of your Toyota Prius 2007 or 2008 model. It is also the same for other models as well. It is a very simple process, and let us get straight to it. Trying to get a better angle here for you. Actually, it is very simple to change it. You see this cover right here. All you do is you lift up that little knob there and then take that cover out. Then there you will find all the lights, and it is a turn and pull, and the bulb snaps out very easily as well. So it is a very simple process, as you can see right here, and all you do is you insert a new bulb, which I am trying to do right now with one hand. Sorry guys. Yep, you insert the new bulb and then just put it back in and turn, and that's very simple, and that's how you do it. Don't forget to return or replace the cover, and that's a very simple process. So guys, please, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave that below, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you, and see you on the next one.